Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samprabha Nirvighnan Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara Samhamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The last class we have seen up to this heading, that is Dhatus undergoing Samprasarana. So in this list, the last Dhatu what we saw was Svap Dhatu. So now we have to see the Dhatus whose forms are not regular. So another three are the O, P, Q. With that it is over. So we will be completing the start today. Dhatu Dhamsh Dhatu. Dhamsh Dhatu we have seen in the Vadigana. What is the Latrupam of Dhamsh Dhatu?
Dashati.
So what happens there? To the Dhamsh.
Nakara.
Nakara goes away.
By? How does it go away? Dashati bites. Kukkaraha Dashati. But you see all are Dham, Brahms, Dhvams, Thrams, Shams, Shams also, Shamsati, Bunch, Must. Must is a different one, fine, not Anuswara. But all you have Anuswara. So what happens here? Anuswara. Divadikana we have seen, right? Dhamsh.
Yes, good. 1 second.
That is that Anuswara. It is no, it is Anuswara nothing but it is Apadanta Nakara, right? Nakara not at the end of the Padam. How does it become Anuswara? First of all, it is this Dhamsh. This is from the category O. We are seeing Dhamsh Dashane, Varigana, to bite. Chakara Dadatu, fine. It is in the list, yes. Therefore, it must be Anit. Ekachinudata Datu, therefore Anit. Now, Dhamsh plus Tavatu. Similarly, Dhamsh plus Shab plus Dashati. Right? So, there, this Anuswara is nothing but Nakara. It's a Nun. Right? Here, Anuswara is nothing but we need to know. Anuswara is this, then Apadanta Nakara. What will happen to Apadanta Nakara? Apadanta Nakara,
Followed by jal, you become
exactly. Yes. Followed by jal. Padanta Makara, we know. Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. Padanta Nakara as well as Makara will followed by jal will become
Anuswara.
Anuswara. Simple. So therefore it is Anuswara is nothing but Nakara only, right? Therefore we need to understand this. Even though I have not written here, but we need to. Maybe one step we can write. This nothing but it is Damshis Nakara. In fact, here itself we can write. Dhatu is Dansh. Because of the rule Apadanta Nakara when followed by Jal becomes Dansh. Now, this Nakara when followed by this Nakara, okay. Another thing, this Nakara is it born because of the Dhatu is Idit? Because Idit Dhatu will take no, we know, right?
No, it is not born because of that.
It is not. It is not because of the Dhatu is Idit. If Dhatu is Idit, then okay, this Dhatu is not Idit. Then how does it come here? It is this. How does it come? We cannot answer. It is there. If it is Idit Dhatu, then we can at least say, okay, Nakara is. Therefore, this is not Idit Dhatu, right? Not how does it come? Okay. This Dhatu is not Idit Dhatu. Dhatu is Damsh. Suppose if Dhatu is Dashi, then we can say, because Idit, therefore Nakara is. But this is not. Aupadeshika Rupam itself is Damsh only. So Nakara, which is there, not a Idit Dhatu. Not because the Dhatu is Idit. Right? And we have seen an important rule in the Vadigana. You need to recall that. What is that rule? When
Anuswara
Anidit,
followed by a letter.
no, not A. When an Anidit Dhatu, this Dhatu is not Idit. Therefore, na Idit is
Anidit.
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 Anidit Dhatu ending with a consonant. Right? So Anidit Dhatu ending with the consonant. Of course, Dhatu being a Alanda Dhatu, therefore consonant is that, right? So Anidit Dhatu ending with the consonant when followed by a Iti or Git Pratyaya. What will happen? That Upada Nakara, which is not because of the Num, because Dhatu is not Idit, that will drop. So Dhatu ending with the Hal, and the Dhatu is Anidit Dhatu, and the Upada Nakara, when followed by Kit or Git Pratyaya, it will drop. You have Vadigana, you can check. Somewhere this is, we have discussed this. Or you
Number
can
10
note.
and 11. In Bhavadigana, number 10 and 11, we discussed this,
Okay.
Guruji.
So I will add it here. This is an important rule actually. So I will add the rule here. What is the rule? Can you say?
Anidit
What
Halanta Dhatu.
Yes, exactly. Anidit.
Halanta
Halanta.
Dhatu
When
followed by a Kit or Nit Pratyaya, the Upadha Nakara drops.
followed by Kit or Nit Pratyaya. Kit Pratyaya or Nit Pratyaya. Kit Pratyaya. Then what happens when the Upada Nakara drops? Upada Nakara. That is not because of the Dhatu is Idit. That's why Anidit. Upada Nakara is Lopaha Bhavati. Becomes Lopaha. So this is an important rule. In the case of damsh dhatu, we are separate to when shap follows. This will happen for damsh dhatu. That's with dashati.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is the rule. So please note. So pada nakara drops. Pada nakara lopaha. When kiti, here it is a kiti. I just write like this, you can understand. Kiti means kiti pratyaya, saptami vibhakti. All this is also sutra bhuta. Pada nakara lopaha kiti. Means you need to understand. Pada nakara se lopaha bhavati kiti pratyaya. Now this is shakaranta, the dash followed by jal. Then what will happen? You know, there is shatum, one, brashya, saja, bruja, the shakaranta dhatu will be replaced by mudane shakara. After that we can do shtutvam. With the form dashta, dashtavat, dashtavat. Similarly, branch. This will become this also same. Shakaranda dhatu. It is not in the list, but this dhatu is what dhatu? Udit dhatu. Not in the list, therefore it is not ekashana dhatu, therefore it must be said. But dhatu being udit. Udit dhatus are optionally. Therefore, with regard to nishta, it is innate. Yeah.
I mean, when we read in Bhavadigana, we said the nakara lopa happens only when followed by shap.
Not because of the kit, because of shap. Bhavadigana for this dhatu.
Yeah, rule number 10, we read upada nakara dhatavaha dansh shanj saj shaj will become lopaha when followed by shap. That's what we read, class 124.
Yes, that's what is right. Yes, correct. Because shap is not a, shap is not a kit pratyaya. What is the rule says? The rule says anadit dhatu, alanda dhatu, when followed by kit or git pratyaya, upadanakara is dropped. But in the case of Bhavadigana, that damsh plus shap follows. Shap is not a kit. But still this drops. This is because of the next rule. Another rule is there. And even when shap pratyaya follows, this happens for the dhatus, damsh dhatus, sanj dhatus, svanj dhatus, and three dhatus are there, I think.
Shang.
So there it is, yes. Not because of this rule, but yes, of course it is next sutra, in fact. The sutra list, if this is 6.4, this is in 6.4.24. That is 6.4.25. But apadanakara lopada versus anuvritti. So 6.4.25. That is. Okay. The next dhatu, bramshu, udit dhatu, therefore the dhatu is anit with regard to nishta. The same thing here also, bramsh, padanakara lopaha bhavati kiti pratyaya pare, the same rule. This dhatu also anidit dhatu, this is in fact udit dhatu. So anidit dhatu, therefore it is padanakara lopaha bhavati kiti pratyaya pare, then shattam, then shuttam, then get brashta. In the Gita, we have Ubhaya Brashtaha, right? Ubhaya Brashtaha, Vibrashtaha, Brashtaha. This is dhatu. To fall. That's why we say fallen. Anyway, that is not a good translation. What fall?
Loser kind of a thing.
Not even loser. It's not a. It's a very.
Because in Ubhaya Brashta means it is loser, isn't it?
Yes, not made. That's it. In the context of Gita, translation should be yes. Yeah, he did not get moksha in this life. That's it. That's the point. For various reasons. The loser can be said. What is there to lose? It is already moksha is siddha vishaya. So loser is not the right one.
So it is the same when you say brashtachara.
Brashtachara is achara. That is conduct is
same dhatu.
Same dhatu, yes. Brashtachara. That is yes, yes. That is conduct. Brashtachara means you can say yes. His conduct was not good. His actions were not legitimate. The other because of Brashtachara. In India also we have Brashtachara, right?
We have only Brashtachara.
Dvamsu, this is also Udit Dhatu. You will see this is also not in the list. Therefore, said because Udit, therefore, they got Nishta, it is on it. And the here also Nakara is the Upada, Kara, Dvams. So this is also like this, Dvams. Dramsha also, Upada Nakara. So this Upada Nakara, Upada Nakara is here. Lopaha Bhavati. The same steps. It is Dvams. Therefore, Tavatu Padanakara Lopaha, and after that it just join. You just join, you get it. And Samsu, this is also Udit Dhatu. This Dhatu is also not Ekashanadata Dhatu, not in the list. Therefore, it must be said. Because it is Udit, therefore it is Sanit. So the line also missing. Right. Not in the list, therefore Ekashta. Should be like this. Therefore, it must be said, Dhatu being Udit. So, therefore, it is Anit with regard to Nishta. Sramsu, Pada, Nakara. Pada, Nakara, that gets dropped and followed by Kit Pratyaya. Pada, Kara, Lopaha. Then, therefore, it gets Rastavata. Shasi. This is Shamsi. Dhatu is Shamsi. Shamsi or Shamsu? Okay. It is, if you take it as Chayam, then it is Shasi. Dhatu is Shasi. Idit Dhatu, not Shamsi. Shasi. Because both cannot be there. Shasi. Idit Dhatu. Because it is Idit Dhatu, therefore Numma Kama. You see, this is a good example. This is Idit Dhatu, Sakaranda Dhatu, not in the list, therefore it must be said. Okay. Okay, it's a said Dhatu. And here Nakara is because of Dhatu is Idit Dhatu. So I write here. Shasi, that becomes Shams. This Shams, Upadanakara. Because it is Idit. Idit Dhatu will take Numma Kama. Idit. Idit what? Idit what? Num. Understand? Because it is Idit, therefore Num Bhavati. Okay, now it is Shams Dhatu plus Tavatu. Now what will happen? Tell me whether this Nakara will become Lopaha or not.
And then only Anidit becomes Lopa.
Anidit become Lopaha. This is Idit. Therefore Nakara will not become Lopaha. But Nakara will remain. Shams plus Tavatu. And this is said Dhatu. And Shams plus Itavatu. Finally, what happens? This is Apadanta Nakara followed by a Jal. Therefore, you can apply it becomes Nuswara. Shamsitavata. This is a root. Okay. Then Banji Dhatu. Banjo Odit Dhatu. Odit also, you know what happens? Odit Dhatu. Okay, Nishta Pratyaya will say. Odit Dhatu we have ruled in Nishta. Banj Dhatu, Odit Dhatu. O is it letter. Fine. And here also we can write like this for understanding. This Banjo. Nakara becomes Anuswara, then Anuswara followed by a letter Parasavana. So Banjo. Is it there in the list? Yes. Therefore it must be on it. Ekasha Anujata Prata. So Banj. Therefore here Upada is Nakara. So it is Banj. You can take Salal. This to be Banj Dhat. Not Nya. So it is Yo. Banj plus Tavatu. Nakara Lopa happens. And therefore Jakara. Now what will happen to Jakara? Prascha no. It is not the Tut Panchoga Kukut. This dhatu is not there. Brushed dhatu is not banju dhatu. Therefore, kuttam will happen. Choko kuku. Decreased by Gakara and Karicha. Oh, but sorry, okay. Before Karicha, this is what I was saying. This dhatu is Odit dhatu. Oditvat. Nishta takarasya. Nakara adesha hoti. Oditaha and rule is there. Oditaha. Nakara adesha bhavati. Oditaha nakaraha. That is Nishta takarasya nakaraha. Oditva dhatu being Odit dhatu. Nishta takarasya nakara adesha. So rule. This also we saw, I think, before. Changes happening to Nishta takara. If you see that the rules. Rules related to changes happening to takara of Nishta pratyaya. And number 3. Takara of the Nishta pratyaya will be replaced by nakara for the Udit dhatu. That is why Okara as Idit is there for the dhatu. Otherwise, what is the purpose of the it letter O? Om. This is the reason. So therefore, Bhagnavati. Therefore, you get the form Bhagnavati. Then here also another one. But this is okay. It's interesting. Too much Jo. Who is it letter? O is it letter? Content is must. Tudadigana. This is the Ekachana Anudata Dhatu. Therefore, it is on it. Must plus Tavatu. What will be the next step? Okay, let us do. This is okay, I'll write here. This is Tudadigana. What will be the form of the must dhatu? Tudadigana. What is the Gana Vikara pratyaya? Can you say? Can try. Simple.
Shakara.
Shakara, right? Then, okay, Shakara comes.
Shakara comes and goes away.
No, Shakara is not the must plus Sha, not Shakara. Shakara content is A.
Content is a
Must plus A. Must. Okay. Then after that,
must.
Majjati.
then what happens? Sakara in contact with.
Jakara.
Sakara.
Therefore, what will happen to Sakara then?
To be replaced by Jakar.
Chaka.
Chutu.
Yes, exactly. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara.
Ashwa.
After that, what will happen?
Jakara will be replaced by Gakara.
Shakara. What?
No, sorry.
No.
Final form should be Majjati.
Exactly, Majjati. How you get Majjati?
The Shakara will.
Kutvam.
Huh?
Jakar be replaced
Just
by
Guruji.
You have already applied, please
Yes.
see, you have already applied Shuttam. After that, you cannot apply Kuttam and all. Shuttam is this, this Shuttam comes later. Can you apply in the beginning Kuttam? Not possible. Because Sakara is not Chavarga. In the beginning, what you applied, only this Shuttas only, which is in fact, at the end, 8-4 section. So after that, you cannot come back again, right? It is Drapai section. All these things you know.
Yes.
So then what is the next rule in the list of rules? If you see sequentially, if you see, go one by one.
Shatvam.
What is that?
No,
Shatvam.
it can't be.
Mudanya Shakara.
By what rule? Is there any rule by which you can become more than you?
No, no.
Yes. Check.
Shuttam happens, Sakara is in contact with Jakara, Sakara is replaced by Shakara. And after that, the Shakara is a Jal letter and Jakara is a Jash letter. Therefore,
Jalam just Jasi.
yes, exactly.
Just
Shakara
two.
will be replaced by Jash letter. What is the Jash letter of Shakara? Shakara is palatal.
Chaka. Yes.
Therefore, must be replaced by Chavarga letter, Chavarga
Varga.
Jash letter, which is Jakara. Therefore, you have Majja.
Maj-
Therefore, Majjati, Majjataha, Majjanti. Understand? So we get this is Sudadigana. Right. There, Latlakara, Pratama, Dushaikavach. Now you see. Here also it is okay. This is Odidata, fine. Odi dhatu, therefore you know. Nishta takara,
Nakara bhavati.
akara. That will happen later. Okay, fine. Must plus tavatu. Next step. Yes.
Magnavat.
Shrutam happens.
Must.
Shakara.
I should put the Shrutam means sakara. It is okay. Must. Okay. Must. Then after that, what happens? Before Shrutam can be done later because it is in Tripad. So that's what it says can be done later, not now. Now there will be Sakara. Now Num comes. Num comes for the Masjidatu when followed by Jal. That's a rule. When followed by Jal, Num comes for the Masjidatu. It's a rule. Okay. So this you can add this to that's it. The Num is a separate section. Num, you will see in my playlist that it's a playlist called Agama. So many Agamas are there. All these Agamas are discussed. Probably you will see the list of, and under Num you will see all the changes happening. I mean, the Num Agama related rules. Anyway, so Masjidatu, not only Masjidatu, as Nashdatu also. Okay, Nashdatu, already we are saying. So when Jaladi Pratyaya follows, Masjidatu as well as this Nashdatu, when Jaladi Pratyaya follows, here Jaladi is what Tavatu is Jaladi, right? Jaladi Pratyaya follows. Then Num Agama comes. So Masjidatu Num Agama Bhavati. Maybe I will add this. Okay, let me explain and then I will add this. Masjidatu, when followed by Jaladi Pratyaya, will get Num. Now, where the Num will be placed? Tell me, where the Num will be placed?
Before the last consonant.
But where I have placed it?
After the Makara only, Guruji.
It's a Mittagama, so it will be in the middle, Guruji.
It should be after the last Ach.
Ach.
There is only one Ach.
Yes.
Okay. Let this be like this. Let us do like Num Agama comes for the Ashdatu. When Jaladi Pratyaya follows, let me put Num here. Right?
Yes.
The Num is there. After that, now where is the Nakara now?
Correct. Apadanta Nakara, Guruji.
Now, this followed by what Pratyaya?
Jal.
Followed by Kit Pratyaya.
Kit Pratyaya.
Lopa bhavati.
Therefore, what will happen to Nakara?
But it is not Upada. The rule
It
says
is-
Upada, Nakara.
Yeah. Alaha Upadayaha.
Mm.
So, this, suppose if it comes after that Nakara, if you heard it, but Adikita Malaha, sorry, yeah, it will not become Lopaha. It will be there because it is not Upada. But what form you will get? You will get a form which is not Ishtarupa. You will get a form, Nakara will be there, Sakara will undergo Shrutam, then Masjid, plus Tavata, then Sakara and this in contact, and this will become Nakara,
Yes.
and this Nakara will become Nakara. Something you will get, which is not
Yes.
Ishtarupa. The form will go something, you can't even pronounce this Dhatu. Anishtarupam Prasajjate. Therefore, this is an exception to Num. In order to get Ishtarupam, the Num is placed not after
The last
vowel.
time.
This is a unique thing only for this Dhatu. You have to note this. Ishtarupa Siddhyartham, Num is placed after Sakara, not after the play.
Mm.
Maybe I can write here. Ishtarupa Siddhyartham. This is an special thing. Okay. See, ultimately, all the sutras all these are applied for getting Ishtarupa. When you don't get Ishtarupa, then you have to withdraw from applying the book. Ishtarupa Siddhyartham. Sakarat. Right? Anantaram Bhavati. Sakarat Param Bhavati. I write simple words. Sakarat Param. Means Sakarat Param Num Bhavati. Ishtarupa Siddhyartham. Sakarat Param Num. You understand, right?
Yes.
This is a special case. General is Num will come after the last stretch. If you ordain after the last stretch, the Num will not become Lopaha also. It will remain. It's not a Pada. So something will get. So therefore Nakara comes here. Fine. Now what will happen? Kit Pratyaya, Nakara goes away. Nakara should come, Nakara goes away. Okay. Nakara comes and Nakara goes away. You may ask, why you bring Nakara? What is the point of it? This Dhatu is fine, but other Dhatu Nakara is there, right? This Dhatu, now Kit Pratyaya Pare, it is like this. Kiti Pratyaya, the Jaladi Pratyaya follows, then this happens. Jaladi Pratyaya Pare. Whereas when Jaladi, when other Pratyaya follows, then the Nakara is important. Okay. For example, okay, let me do this and then I'll give you another example for this. So Nakara comes, Nakara becomes Lopaha, right? Now we have must plus Dhatu. Now must is it's a conjunct now. Sanyoga and having Sakara at the beginning. Sanyoga having Sakara at the beginning followed by Jal. If it at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal, what will happen? Sakara will drop.
Sakara will drop.
From Machi plus Tavatu. Now you can apply
Kutva.
Kutva. We are in the beginning, so step by step we can apply. This Num is ordained by the 6-4-24. I said it is Sapara Saptadhyay. The Num Lopaha is Sapara Saptadhyay. Num ordained by, that is also Sapara Saptadhyay section. So now we enter into Tripadi. The first, the beginning itself is there, Skoho. And after that, Kutvam is there. The sequence of rules, if you see. So we are not any violating any Tripadi. Okay, we are following these steps. Understand? Skoho is in the 8th chapter, 2nd section, 29th Sutra. Kuttam is 30th Sutra, very next Sutra. That's applied. Jakara replaced by Jakara. The Dhatu is not in the Vrashya. So the Kuttam only will happen. Otherwise, it will have become Shatvam. And this Dhatu is Vodit Dhatu. Voditvad, Nishtatakara, Sinakara. Therefore, you get Magna. That is why you Magna. Nimagnaha comes right. Nimagnaha is submerged, immersed. It comes in Gita also. In the first or second chapter. Nimagnaha. The first chapter probably at the end. Shoka, okay, that's Shoka Samvigna Manasaha. Samvigna, otherwise is different. Something Nimagnaha is immersed in Dukkam. Okay, so Magnavati is a Rupa. Next one. All these involve so many things. Okay, just a note. Just Magnavati is a Rupa. So you cannot have in either form. Now, I'll explain here why the Nakara comes and Nakara goes. What is the purpose of Nakara? Let us take another Pratyaya. Must plus Trich Pratyaya, for example. What will happen? Must plus Trich. Trich Pratyaya, you know, it is had in the sense of Karta, the doer. The one who submerges, submerger or immerser, whatever it is, right? Must plus Trich. Trich Pratyaya follows Masudatu. What is the rule? When Jaladi Pratyaya follows, it will get Numagama.
Yes.
Right? So Mans plus Tru. Then after that, what will happen? Where the Num will come? Here the Num comes. You see, after
Last
last touch.
in here it is brought here. Okay. To get the Ishtarupa. But whereas here, Akara is out in after the last stretch. Therefore, it will remain. It will not go. Understand? Then what will happen to Sakara? Sakara's go by that Sakara goes away. The Sakara goes away, therefore you will have Manch plus Tru.
Manch plus
Manch
Tru.
plus Tru, right?
Yes.
Then Nakara and Jakara, Stuttam we can do.
Kutvam. Yes.
Okay, but before that, no, this Makara is there. Yeah, Makara is, Uttam is first, and then only I have to do Jakara for because the list, if you see, Uttam, then Jakara will become Dakara.
Mang.
Yes, three. You have to follow the sequence.
Yes.
Then Nakara will become
Anuswara.
Anuswara. That you have to do. Mang plus three. Then Anuswara, Paraswarna becomes
Parasavarna. So Mang.
Mang plus three.
Mantra.
Then Karicha we can apply. Therefore, finally Karicha.
Mantra.
Mantra. Then Mangta, Mangtaro, Mangtara. Iti Rupa. So what I'm saying is, here Nakara is there, right?
Yes, Guruji.
In this case, it is there. Whereas here it is not there. So, the rule is when Jaladi Pratyaya follows, Mashtatu will take Num. Here and Num comes after the last Ach. But here for Ishtarupa Siddhyartham, Num is ordained after Sakara. Otherwise, you will have some Anishtarupa. This is a special thing for this. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
See the sequence. This Dhatu, Trich Pratyaya, right? Num Bhavati, first is Num. Num is the Sapara Saptadhyaya. It is, in fact, it's interested, you can know the Sutra, 7-160, that Sutra. Then Sakara goes away. Sakara goes away by the Tripadi rule. Skogo Sanyoga Devantecha, 8-29. Then after that, Uttam happens, 8-30, the very next rule. And after that, the Sakara becoming Anuswara, that is by 8-3-24. You see the sequence. Then Anuswara followed, Anuswara is here, 8, Parasavarnaha. That happens by 8-4-58. And before that itself, Karicha we can do. Sorry, okay, because Karicha is before. So what you can do is, here itself, you can make it Anuswarasya, E, Parasavarnaha. Parasavarnaha, that comes later. So here itself, it is, you can do Karicha, then you can do Anuswarasya, E, Parasavarnaha. That would be correct.
Yes.
Because this is
Last.
Parasavarna rules 8-4-58. This Karicha is before 8-4-55. Okay, so finally this is the, anyway, this is to make you see the distinct, the differences between here Nun comes, Nun goes away in the case of Tavatu Pratyaya. Same thing for Ta Pratyaya also, Nagna you get. Here it is, Nun will remain because it is ordained after the last Ach. Okay, fine. That's why the topic is Dhatus whose forms are irregular. Okay.
Yes.
The next one, T. Jai Dhatu.
Guruji,
Yes. Yeah.
the fifth one in the table we have written Shastabati. In the explanation, you have said that Samchitavati.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. In the table, if you see, it is written Shastabati.
Okay. Maybe I missed it. Shams Dhatu. Okay. Shams Dhatu, Atmanepadi, Set Dhatu. Okay, it is it's a mistake. It must be Shamsitavati. Yes. I wrote like this. One minute. Let me even thorough. It is a Shamsitavati. Let me check the Kadanta. Dhatu being Shams. It is Shasun. minute. Samsu Ichayam and this form is Sham Siddhavat. The form must be Siddhavat. But there are some mistakes in the books also. Wrong. I'll check also again one more time better. I'll let you know. But,
So actually, the previous one also, what is the difference, Guruji? Because in the previous one, both are said dhatus only. So the previous one it is Srastavatu. So
that is because it is Udit. Because it is Udit. Whereas this is Idit. Oh, this is Shasi, right? Okay. Because it is Idit dhatu. Because it is Idit, therefore set is not negated. It is not negated. Previous one is Samsu, it is Udit.
Wait.
Whereas this is Idit dhatu.
Okay.
But I take this as Shamsi. Even there is one more dhatu in this Gana, which is Udit dhatu. If you take the dhatu to be Udit dhatu, which is in Vadi Gana, then you will not have this. Okay, let me write that also. Because yes, this is 6. Okay. Here I will write some. Suppose if we take this dhatu to be Udit dhatu, I'm adding here. Suppose if the dhatu is Shamsu, then what will happen? Then the Ishta Rupa would be Sakaranta dhatu and dhatu is Udit dhatu, Uditvat. Uditvat dhatu, it must be, dhatu must be Anit.
Anit.
So because it is Anit, the same thing now. Now, no Ita, come on. So you will have
Saṃskṛtam.
Anuswara, Shamsta. This is also the same Gana, first Gana only, there the meaning is different. Here Shamsu is Stuti, Stutau,
The praise.
the praise, Shamsati, Stutau. Here Shams is Ichaya, to wish, meaning
Vadi.
and Shamsati, it's a Parasmay Paridat also. It's a Parasmay Paridat. Stutau dhatu is Parasmay Paridat. And Parasmay Paridat said that. Understand?
Yes.
So depending on, because the same dhatu is in group of, but one is Udit, other one is not Udit. Other one is Udit. Uditvat, Num Bhavati, then Itagama not negate. Here Uditva Itagama negate. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Move on to the next one. Next one is Jai Dhatu. Jai Dhatu, we know what will be the Latlakara Rupam. Jayati. Jai plus Shab plus
Dhyayati.
Ayadi Sandhi will happen. Chintayam. Jayati. So Jai plus Tavatu, what will the Rupam? Ejanta Dhatu, right?
Is it
Upadesha. In the Upadesha, Ejanta Dhatu. When followed by Ashiti Pratyaya, what will happen? Atvam will happen. I think I taught you this also.
Yes,
Yeah, in the Bhadikana itself, I would have taught you.
Yes, Guruji. Akara.
Yeah. Right? Remember?
Yes,
This,
Guruji.
the Vadighana, if you check all these things we saw once upon a time. Okay, we have forgotten by this time. Adechaha Upadesha Ashiti Sutram also what I have written. The Upadesha, when a Dhatu is for Ashiti Pratyaya, Ashit Pratyaya, Ashiti Pratyaya. In fact, Ashita also could not fall immediately. It can be in the Pratyaya, but not at the beginning. Anyway, so just understand this much. Atvam will happen. That is, Ejanta Dhatu will be replaced by Ejanta Dhatu, A-O-I-O, right? Conjunct vowel. The Dhatu ending with the conjunct vowels will be replaced by Akara. When followed by a Pratyaya, when the Pratyaya is not a Shit Pratyaya. When followed by Pratyaya, when the Pratyaya is Ashiti. Then how do you get a Jayati then? Jai Dhatu Vichikana.
Shap will come.
Shap will come. Then how we get Jai is replaced.
So Ayadis.
That Jai is replaced by Ayadisan. Right? Please understand.
Yeah.
The rule is the Vadighana we have seen that. Okay, let me do the form here and then. Jai Dhatu plus Shap plus Tit, right? It is followed by Shit Pratyaya. Therefore, we cannot apply Dhya. Otherwise, you will have problem. You will not have Dhyayati. You will have Dhya, Dhyati. You will have Dhyati is something that's wrong. Here, Ayadi Sandhi happens. Jai will become Jai. Jai plus that is Shab, Jaya. So, Dhyayati, right? Jayati. Now, here okay. So, here what happens? Shit Pratyaya follows. Therefore, Jai is not replaced by A. Understand? Here, what follows?
Kit Pratyaya.
It is not a Shit Pratyaya. Ashiti. Negative. Nashita. Therefore, each letter of the Dhatu can be replaced by A. So, this rule, do you want me to write here? I think we know. You want to write, I can write this.
Yes, sir. Yes, Guruji. Right.
Atvam. Changes happening to the Anga. If you want to write means you have to write so many rules. But this all Atvam is common rule. That is Ejanta Dhatu. Ejanta Dhatus will take Akara. Will take Atvam. Okay, let me say Atvam. When followed by
Ashiti.
Ashiti Pratyaya.
And also, okay, Shiti, right? It's okay. Ashiti also got something else extra. Anyway, that extra is not required now. Just note this now. Followed by Ashiti. Okay, coming back here. So therefore, Jai becomes Dhya, then Dhyata. Simple. Dhyata, Vatu. Similarly, this Jai Dhatu, okay. Is it a set or a nit? All, how do you know it is a nit? All Ejanta Dhatus, or we see that here. Ejanta, just see the Karika. Following Dhatus are set. Is there any Ejanta Dhatu here? No.
No, they
Ikaranta, and all is there. This is a Karika which says, where is A here? Other than the Dhatus which are listed here are all Anit. So here there is no A.
Okay.
So therefore, agent dhatus, anit. Anitva, therefore no itagama, but yatavatu. Similarly, glai will become
Glatavat.
latavatu. Simple.
Gatavat.
Glai will become
Gatavat.
Gatavat.
gata. Ga illana.
Gitavat.
Oh.
Yeah, because there is no gatavat. They mean to sing. Yeah.
Gita.
What happens is, Attam happens, yes. Up to here it is correct.
Mm.
And after that, what happens? There's a rule. That is, this there are some dhatus. There are some dhatus whose akara of the dhatu when followed by the jaladi pratyaya, the ikara adesha will come as a rule. This we have right. Not jaladi, hali. The pratyaya beginning with the hal follows. It happens. For which dhatus? Okay, I'll write here the rule. All these are angakarya, and this will be useful. Later also we will see. So, not for all the dhatus. We have Gu Sangika dhatu. Don't worry about what is Gu Sangika. That we will see later. Gu Sangika dhatus. In fact, Gu means they are referring to the dhatu, which is da and dha. In the dhatu kosha, you will see some 6 or 8 dhatus you will see. But not some dhatu. See, dhatu, you have dhan one dhatu is there, and dap dhatu is there. So many dhatus are there. Content is da and dha. So they are together called by the sanya, by name, gu. So 8 dhatus together called by a name, gu. Okay. So gu sanyaka dhatus. It means the dhatus, those dhatus are akara on the dhatu. That is required. Then ma dhatu. Then sta dhatu. You know sta, our dhatu, sta dhatu. Sta also same thing. What will happen? Sta plus sta. Stita. Stitavan.
Stita.
Astitavan. Right?
Mm.
Uttitavan. That's how you get uttitavan, etc. Then ga dhatu. Then pa dhatu. Then ha dhatu. Okay. Then one more dhatu. So dhatu. So these dhatus and so will take. You take etvam. This is we can call it etvam. Etvam means ikara adesha. When followed by
Ashiti.
haladi pratyaya. That's not ashiti here.
Yeah.
When followed by haladi pratyaya. So when followed by a pratyaya beginning with a consonant, this will happen. Okay. So therefore, you can note. And of course, it is aladi. You have to say kiti giti. Aladi does not keep right here. Kiti or giti. Kiti giti aladi pratyaya. Followed by a pratyaya, which is a kit or git pratyaya. This will happen. Okay. This is by the rule 6466. So ga dhatu we are saying. So ga means it is gai. From gai only you get ga. There is no ga dhatu. Okay. But the rupam of gai becomes ga, then we need to apply this rule. That's why I say ito. So Gita vatu. So Gitam, Bhagavad Gita. Say comes by this only. How we get Gita? Gi plus ta pratyaya Gita. Strilinge
Strilinga.
Gita.
Ramavat.
Yes. Gita. You need to add one Strilinga pratyaya, ta pratyaya, a, that's a Gita. Napam sakalinga, it will be Gitam. In fact, it is why Gita, because it is like it is a Shruti. Shruti vat, even though not a Shruti. It's not a Shruti, it is a Smriti, right? It is in the Mahabharata. It has the status of being a Shruti. And Shruti is Strilinga. Upanishad also Strilinga. Good. Therefore, Gita. Okay, next dhatu. Trying dhatu. Try palane to protect. This is also Tratavat. Atvam. Here there is no Etvam happens. One form is Tratavat. There's Okay, this is a set dhatu or anit dhatu, anit, because ejanta dhatu. Anit. Optional, we have another form. Now only the takara of this will be replaced by nakara.
So that is
Ishta
a
pratyaya takara is replaced by trana. Paritrana. Paritrana. Why you get paritrana? It's the same thing. Paritrana is sadhu now. So we have a rule. Tradhatu also will undergo this change. There's a list of dhatus given. Nudhatu, Vida, Unda, Tra, Gra, Hri, Bhyam. And it is optional, not mandatory. So therefore, maybe I will write the rule here. Nishta Takara becoming Nakara. Yeah, here I have written. You can see Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya will be replaced by Nakara optionally for Nudhatu, Vidudhatu, Undadhatu, Tradhatu, Gradhatu, Hri dhatu. So Tra is the 8256. It's an optional Nakara Desha for Takara. Nishta Takara. Therefore, Tranavatu. Tratavatu, Tranavatu. Understand? That's why these dhatus are all irregular. So you need to know as it is, the rules you need to remember. Then the last category, this will be over. Shubhadhatu. Bakaranda dhatu. Is it there in the list? It is not, because I check the list, it will not be there. Therefore, it must be Set. It must be considered Set. Dhatu is not Ekash, Anudhatu dhatu. Now, you see the dhatu. Dhatu is a halanda dhatu, preceded by what letter? What is the letter? Upada letter.
Shaka.
Upada letter is ik letter. No. Ik letter, right? But Upada letter is, in fact, we need the Uttupada. So, Set Nishta Pratyaya, when a Nishta Pratyaya, which is a Set, because Dhatu is Set and Pratyaya is Set, Anukula Pratyaya, right? Baladi Pratyaya, therefore, Ittakamma, yes. Shubh is a Set Dhatu. So, Set Dhatus and Nishta Pratyaya, Tatavatu are Baladi. Therefore, it will take Ittakamma provided the Dhatu is Set. Dhatu is Set and Pratyaya also Set Anukula Pratyaya. Therefore, when Set Nishta Pratyaya follows the Dhatu having Ukara as the Upada, then the Pratyaya, what happens? Nishta Pratyaya, which is a Kit Pratyaya, the Kitvam will be considered Vikalpa. So by that, what you get?
Angakarya will happen.
in the negated.
Exactly. Angakarya will happen. Kittam is not there. Suppose Shubha plus Ta, what will happen?
Show.
Like, say Bhu plus Ta, what do you get? Because it is Kit, Who will not become Bo.
Yes.
Angakarya negated, right? Bhuta.
Both.
But here what happens? This Dhatu is a Set Dhatu and Ukara is Upada, right? So Itavata, whatever it is. Then this is a Kit Pratyaya. The Kit is optional. Because Kit is optional, and therefore you will have one form is without Kit, the other form is with Kit. So with Kit, now there is no Gunangakarya. You will have Shubhita. Without Kit, Angakarya can happen because Upada is Rasva Ikupada, therefore get Shobhita. So therefore you will have two forms. This happens only for the dhatus which are Set and the Pratyaya is Set Anukula Pratyaya. Nishta Pratyaya being Set Anukula Pratyaya, therefore Set Nishta Pratyaya following the Uttupada dhatu will be considered Kit optionally. Therefore, we have two forms. One with Gunangakarya, other without Gunangakarya. Therefore, Shubh plus Tavatu will become Shubhitavatu, Nangakarya. Other form will be Shobhitavatu.
Shobhitavatu.
You can see the list of dhatus are given. The Upada would be Uttupada. Who will become Okita or Ukita. Ku. Kukita or Kokita. Same thing. Ru become Ruchita or Rochita. Suchita or Shochita. Tujita, Tojita. Mujita, Mojita. Gutita or
Gotita.
Gotita, not Gojita,
Not good.
Gotita. Rutita or Rotita, Lutita or Rotita, like that. We have Vikalpa Rupam. So only dhatus are there. All these are Utupada dhatus. Utupada dhatus followed by Set Nishta Pratyaya. Kitvam is optional. Therefore, Angakarya can happen optionally. So you have two forms. Right? Understand? Okay. So this is a list of dhatus are there. Next to dhatu. So that just to those who can see those dhatus. Okay, then Brunj dhatu, Bru dhatu. This is a Vikarma dhatu. Can take to karma. Viktaya Maki to speak. Now, Bru dhatu when followed by Tavatu Pratyaya, there are some dhatus whose will be the dhatu will be replaced by some other form. It's called dhatu adesha. We call it as dhatu adesha. When Ada dhatu ka pratyaya, not all the dhatus, there are some dhatus. So that will be like the as dhatu. What happens to as dhatu? As plus as is replaced by
Boot.
bu. Bu is the first kind of dhatu. That is different. But as is the meaning is different. As meaning may be same. Okay, even the meaning may be same. As dhatu belongs to the second gana, whereas bu dhatu first gana. As dhatu second gana, you get asti staha santi. Bu dhatu bhavati bhavata bhavanti. When followed by the adadhatu pratyaya, as dhatu will get the adesha bu. This bu is the adesha in the place of as. Because as is a dhatu, therefore the adesha gets the status of being a dhatu. Don't think the bu is from the first gana is ordered. Not like that. Okay. Bu is nothing but it's made of two letters, Bakara plus Ukara. That's it. That is what bu is. That bu, when it replaces a dhatu, it gets a status of being a dhatu. Therefore, we say it is a dhatu. Bu. Now it is bu becomes a dhatu. Therefore, whatever changes could happen, that will happen. Similarly, here also, bru dhatu plus tavatu pratyaya being an adadhatu ka pratyaya. Therefore, bru will be replaced by vach. It's a rule. Okay. Bru will be replaced by vach. When vach replaces, vach is not a dhatu. Note, vach is not a dhatu. It is an adesha. Adesha completely replaces the sthani. Sthani is bru. Now, tavatu pratyaya follows. Special under samprasaranam. So, vakara will be replaced by ukara. Therefore, what do you get?
Uktavat.
Ukta. That's how you get ukta. How you get ukta? You can get ukta by vach dhatu. You can get ukta by bru dhatu. The form is same only. Similarly, vej dhatu. Here, vej dhatu already we saw. It is samprasana dhatu. Okay. So, vej plus tavatu. Vej is vakara will undergo samprasana ukara. U plus a. U plus a will become u only. Samprasana cha. Tadi sutra. Therefore, you get utavat. Then khan dhatu. Dhatu is udit dhatu. Therefore, anit. Right? Though it is said, because it is udit, therefore, with regard to nishta, it is anit. So, kan plus tavatu, what do you get? Attam happens. Attam. It is nakara. This is again, that here we have a special rule for kan dhatu. Kan dhatu, like the Attam Visa, Attam happens for Ajanta Dhatu, but here also it happens. Sandhatu. So Nakara will be replaced by Akara. I have not written the rule. Maybe I would have written. I will check. Sandhatu. That is why all these are irregular dhatus. So it's another rule. Okay, I have not written here. Maybe I will have changes happening to the anga. Number. Number 9. We have a rule. The dhatus. Jan dhatu, Jan dhatu, Khan dhatu, San dhatu. Janasana Khanam. So those dhatus, when followed by Jaladi, Itingiti Pratyaya, Akara Adesha happens. So Jan, San,
Saṃskṛtam.
and Khan. Dhatus, Jan, San, and Khan, when followed by Kittat Jaladi. Jaladi, Kit or Git Pratyaya. Then you put that Nakara. The dhatus are Nakara. Nakara is replaced by Akara. Nakara gets Atva Adesha. Nakara at the end. Nakara gets Atva Adesha. This is by the rules. Please note. Jan, San, Khan. This dhatus when followed by. I wrote only Jaladi. Even when San Pratyaya happens, that is not required for us. When followed by Jaladi Kiti, Niti Pratyaya, it gets Akara Adesha. Therefore, you have Khan plus applying this rule. This is also Atvam. Maybe. So I will put it here. So the two Atvams are there. Six, 7. This Atvam, you can note it separately. This is all Atva section. Atvam. Okay, these two are Atvam. This is also Atvam only. Number 8. Now it becomes number 8. Okay, yes.
Guruji, in Divadigana, we had seen yet another rule that Jandhatu, Jani, Jaya
Adurbhave.
is replaced by
different.
Ja. In
That is replaced by
Kattariprayoga,
Ja. Yes. Jan
one
will
in
be
Kattariprayoga, two when followed by Sarvadhatu Kashit Pratyaya.
exactly. There it is Shit Pratyaya, therefore Jan becomes Jaya. That's why it gets Jayate.
Is it not the same here?
No. Here it
Here
says
it's not.
Jaladi. Here Jaladi. Where is Jaladi there? Jayate. It is in Divadigana, right?
Yeah.
Shan is is not a Jal letter. So when Jaladi Kit Pratyaya, it is a Kit Pratyaya because Sarvadhatukam apit Kitvat. So Jan plus Shan plus Te. Shan is that content is Ya is not a Jal letter. Therefore, it will therefore Jan Nakara will not be replaced by Atma will not happen.
I'm a bit
Condition.
confused between this content and then it's actually Shan means Shit Pratyaya, isn't it? Because it
See,
starts with Shakara and then
when Angakarya is denoted by the Jaladi means. Jaladi means Jal is the beginning of the letter and the Pratyaya is a Kit Pratyaya. Not that first letter should be a Katara. There should not be any confusion. It's simple. Shan, when we say content is it's not a Jal. It is a Kit Pratyaya, yes. Because it is Apit, therefore Kit. It is Sarvadhatukam, yes. Why? Because Shitvat Sarvadhatukam. Apitvat it is Kit. Sarvadhatuka Apit Kitvat Bhavati, therefore no Angakarya. Simple. But Shakara, not because of Shakara. Shakara as a Nitya letter, it gives certain property to the Pratyaya, because of which Angakarya happens or Angakarya negated.
Okay.
But Angakarya, that is one thing. Then followed by what Pratyaya after knowing the Nitya letter, that is important. Here we say Jaladi. There it is not a gel letter. Yakara is not a part
Ting
of gel.
pratyaya.
Therefore, Nakara is not replaced by Ja. Okay, it's good question only. So it's all valid. So you have to think like that only. Make all possible confusions and then get clarity. It's good.
Hmm.
You see here it is the next dhatu Jani.
Yeah, Jani.
The same thing. Jani, Idi dhatu. Idi dhatu means it is
No Numagama.
no, that is okay. This is said dhatu. Itagama is negated because dhatu is Idid. Idid dhatu, Udid dhatu, or Udid dhatu. Itagama is negated. We have seen where? With easy the rule. Idid dhatus, Udid dhatus, Udid dhatus. What happens? Nishta pratyaya. Here it is. Dhatus have ikara idit will not support itagama. When Nishta pratyaya follows by this rule. Therefore, dhatu. Therefore, it is now with regard to Nishta, it is and it only. Therefore, no itagama. No itagama. Therefore, it is jaladi. If itagama comes, it is not jaladi. It becomes ajadi. When ajadi is there, then nakara will not be replaced by akara. So it is not it. Therefore, it is jaladi. Jaladi pratyaya follows. In the case of fourth gana, it is not jaladi. Therefore, nakara not replaced. The entire jan is replaced by ja. Jayate, jayate, jayante iti rupam. But here it is a jal. Therefore, nakara replaced by akara. Therefore, jata. Jata vedase, jata vedas, jataha vedaha. Knowledge. So jata. This is jatam. Okay. So this is getting jata. Jatavan, Jata, which is born, Jatani, Bhutani. Comes in Gita, many places, right? Jatam. Then Granth Dhatu. Here Nakara is not because of Dhatu is Idit Dhatu. Okay. So therefore, when a Tavata Pratyaya follows, which is what? When Tavata Pratyaya follows, which is not a, which is a Kiti Pratyaya. Then what will happen?
Padanakara.
Padanakara goes away. Dhatu is Anidit Nakara and Dhatu is Anidit Dhatu and Upadanakara when followed by what? Followed by Kiti Pratyaya.
It pratyaya.
What will happen?
Nakara lopa happens.
Upadanakara lopa happen. That important sutra, you need to remember that. That's not only here, many places you will find the application of that. Right? When Anidit Dhatu is followed by Kit or Nit Pratyaya,
Yeah.
then Upadanakara is dropped. So therefore, Granth will become Grat. Grat plus
Gratitavat.
Gratitavan. Saka Gratitavan. The Grantha also means to write out. And Grantha comes from this word only. Grantha. Gratnati, Gratnitaha. The form will be like that. Gratnati. That is also same thing. Gratnati. The ninth gana, Shna Pratyaya, which is again Apit. Apitvat Kit. Kitvat Bhavati. Therefore, Nakara goes away. See, the dhatu is ninth gana. Ninth gana we have not seen, but still I am saying. It is Gana Vikana is Shna. Shna. And this is T. Shna is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Apit. Apitvat Kitvat. Content is now only. Therefore, it is Kit. Kitvat Upadanakara becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Grat. Therefore, Grat. Okay. Because of, no, Grat. Therefore, you get Grat plus. Because the Pratyaya is Apit. Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya. Therefore, Kitvat Upadanakara. And Nakara, which is not of the Idit Dhatu, not because the Dhatu is Idit. Therefore, Aniditaha, Nakaraha, Upadanakara, Silopaka Bhavati, Kiting iti Pratyaya Pare by that rule. This Lopaha, therefore, Gratnati, Gratnitaha, Gratnanti. Similarly, Matnati, Mat to churn. All these are in this Gana, ninth Gana. Okay, anyway, you can note that. Next one, Dhet. Dhet is Ejanta Dhatu, therefore, Attom. Dha Dhatu. Right? Just now I told, it is a goose and Mika Dhatu, right?
Yeah.
So dada, so that is also there in the list. Gusangika dhatus, then dada and madhatu, stadatu, etc. Right? What is Gusangika dhatu? Gusangika dhatu means the dhatus whose content is da or the. Of course, there are some exceptions. Da or the. Now, dhed dhatu whose content is dha. What will happen? You'll get itvadesha. Therefore, dita, adita. You get. This is in the pane. Okay, to drink. Then jagru dhatu. This is anekach dhatu. Dhatu having two vowel. Therefore, it must be said only.
Said.
This is there are some dhatus, samanna, eight dhatus, other which are anekach dhatu. All the nijanta dhatus are anekach, therefore said. So this is a said dhatu anekach. Jagra plus tavat. Now what will happen? This pratyaya is said pratyaya, jagra plus tavat, and jagra plus tavat. Even though the pratyaya is kit, we have a rule. Guna will happen. Angakarya is not denied for jagra dhatu. That's a rule, in fact. For jagra dhatu, it is not denied. So you need to note. Separate the rule is there. So therefore, guna happens, therefore you get jagari tavat. Jagra dhatu will undergo guna, whether the pratyaya is, pratyaya is chitta, okay, whatever it is, it will happen. Okay, understand? So therefore, jagari tavat. So if want the rule, what is the rule? Jagra, when sarvadhataka pratyaya, radhadhataka pratyaya follows, jagra dhatu will take guna, except when some pratyaya follows. Anyway, it's not required now. Just note. This is condition is only for jagra dhatu, special dhatu. Irrespective of the pratyaya, whether kitta or akit, when kitta it is, whatever it is, kitta, gitta, angakarya will happen. It's a rule. Except some dhatus, that don't worry about those dhatus, which is null, mit, etc. Limit. So that is not required for us. So here it is nishtha pratyaya follows. Therefore, it will happen. Okay. So jagaritavat. Then kshi dhatu, kshi kshaye vadigana. So we have two dhatus, kshi kshaye vadigana and kshi nivasagatyaho tudadigana. So both I have done here. So if we take divadigana, it is anid dhatu, kshi dhatu, anid dhatu. Therefore, kshtatavat. Here I have written something not required, just bhava karma vachak dirghana. Otherwise, you get kshita. Okay, this is one for the dvadigana dhatu. Then kshi plus tavat. Here will happen kshi. Here it will happen bhava karma vachani dirghaha na. Here dirghaha happens. This is for the kshi dhatu. Kshi dhatu undergoing the ikara will be replaced by ikara, and also sakara, nakara also becomes nakara. I have not written the reason, so it will be too much loading. That's why I have not written, just to note the form. You want why it is, I can tell you, but it's unnecessary. That's why. Nattam happens, that happens for Kshidat. Chiyaha Dirgat. Iti Ishta Nattam. Okay. When it becomes Dirga, then Nattam happens. When it doesn't become Dirga, Nattam doesn't happen. You can see that. When Kshi becomes Dirga, again that same question will come. Kshi, when does it become Dirga? Dirga, that is when it is Bhava Karma. When it is Ishtayam, okay, leave it. That's not required. Just note this. The context will come, otherwise it will be too much now. Okay, because we keep on adding more and more rules. Only for this dhatu you can note. The simple. Kshi dhatu, when it is not dirgha, bhava karma vachi means in bhava prayoga and karma prayoga, karmani, dirgha na bhavati. So bhava karma vachini dirgha na, therefore it will be
Kshitavat.
Kshitavat. When Kshitavati is an Nattam will not happen for Takara. When it is Dirgha, it will happen.
That means this is Kartruvacha, Guruji.
Sorry?
Ksheen, the second one is Kartari.
Both are Karta only. Chinavan, Chitavan is same. We are talking about the Karta only.
No, here you said Bhava Karma.
It's okay. Don't take it. Unnecessary. You get confused.
Okay,
Leave it.
okay.
Okay, Guruji.
It is Ananta, Anyadatte. So leave it. No, it's not required.
Okay, Guruji. Okay, Guruji.
It will be unnecessary now. Okay. So you can note these two forms. When Dirgha happens, then Nattam. I mean, Takara replaced by Nakara. When it is Asva, then no. So there are two forms. For both the dhatus. The Tadat, this Dwadi as well as Sudadi. Okay. With this Nishta is over. Almost all the possible dhatus, irregular, all these irregular dhatus. That's why listed, we are talking at the end. Listed at the end. So we have done. Did you try this
Guruji.
homework?
We will try, Guruji.
Not yet, Guruji. We'll do it now.
So this is the homework for the next 10 days. Yeah, very
10
right.
days,
Do
yes.
it.
Yes, we are Guruji.
And also,
Can we have this document, Guruji?
I'll send you the updated one. This is the updated one. And also, you can do this also. This also, same as we did Tavatu, same in Nishta also. What's the big thing? Same thing, right? See the, I show you this. They are doing the same thing, copy paste only. So, there it is Kridita Vata, here Kridita, Akaranta Shabda. Kriditaha, Kriditav, Kriditaha. Strilinge Kridita, Napumsakalinge Kriditam. Same thing only. There it is Tavatu, here it is Tapratya.
Oh, okay.
So document, just copy paste it. Now, what I want you to do, you just go to the example. Maya Gita Padita, what prayoga is that?
Karmani.
Gita is, here it is Karma, which is in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, in keeping the gender of the Karma, the object here, Patita, Gita.
Patita.
Karta in Tritya Vibhakti. That would, Kartari prayoga, it will be Agam.
Gita.
Patitavan.
Patitavati or Patitava, whatever it is, depending on the gender.
Patitavan.
So here it is, sentences are there, many sentences, you can go through all this. And a lot of exercise examples are there. Maybe I think we can just go through, we can come back, we can do the exercise. Yes. At the end, we have more translations and exercises. This book also. I'll send you. You come prepared so that it'll be easy. Here, all this exercise also, please do it.
Yep. 10 days, I'll do the revision of entire Nishta Pratyaya. About
And
10
after this, we are going to see Karmani Prayoga, therefore it will be useful if you come prepared reading this.
Okay.
A lot of exercises, notes are there at the end of this book.
Yes, Guruji.
Adhyasaha, you have to do Adhyapakasya Anupasita Balaihi Chalpitam. Read the translation and find out what is the meaning of it, what is Karaka, what Vibhakti, what Karaka, and Karta, Karma, and Chalpitam. How do you get the word Chalpitam? Jalpadatu. You have to say whether it is state or anit order it is. It must be state. Can be Jalpitam is there. You can find out all these things. And this is also translation. Atakena is all from Gita. Kena prayuktaha. Prayuktaha pra plus huge plus taha. Prayuktaha, you can see. Rajnya niyogitaha. Brityaha iva purushaha papam acharati. Idrichaya. Idrichaya upapannam. What is upapannam? Upa purvaka pad plus
Pad dhatu.
the natvam, the nakara, the nishta takara, dakara both are replaced by nakara. Idrichaya upapannam sarga dwaram apavritam. Apa upasarga also upasarga vrit plus ta pratyaya. All these are taken from Gita. So you can just, if you have time, then you can do it. Trishulokeshu me anavaptam avaptam. What is anavaptam? Ana plus ana is an answer. Avaptam, na avaptam, anavaptam. Ava plus a plus ta pratyaya. Apta already we have seen apta. So, avapta, na avapta, anavapta. Okay, sarvagatam here just gatam. Then saktaha, ta pratyaya. Find a dhatu and see ta pratyaya and see the root form. And the translation. Okay. I have done the translation. I will not erase. I'll make it. Okay, let the translation be there. You can come and do all that. There are many words, sentences in the translation.
First we will do the revision and then we will come back.
This also I'll send you. This exercise part you can leave it. All other things you can go through.
Yes, Guruji. We do
The
the
exercises
Yes,
which are there as part of the lesson you can do. At the end there are many sentences. We will do it when I come back.
Yes, Guruji.
So this Nishtha is done. Yeah.
Done.
Yes, Guruji, please send the final document.
Yeah, this is final.
Yes,
Send you.
yes, this one, Guruji.
Yes.
So you have got enough time. Please, because class is not that, don't miss that slot. You can
No,
take it
Guruji.
as
We will do, Guruji.
so that when you come back, we can do Karmani Prayaga followed by Shatrushan. Yes. Yes,
Yes.
Rajaji.
Guruji, that Jagru, that word, can you please go back? You said Gunasanti, so are we not
Not
playing
Guna Sandhi, Guna Angakarya, not Guna Sandhi. That is
Okay.
special dhatu. Guru will become Gar. Then Gar plus, this is a Set dhatu, Anekash dhatu, Set dhatu, therefore Jagarita. Not Guna
Okay.
Sandhi.
Okay, got it.
Sandhi, okay. Sandhi can happen. Why Sandhi we are not doing? Angakarya is stronger. After Angakarya only Sandhi Karya we can do. Otherwise, Bu plus Shap, what will happen? If you do Sandhi, for example, first dhatu. Which one you will do? Bu plus Shap is A. Will you do Sandhi or will you do Guna? If you do Sandhi, then what will happen? You'll have Anishta Rupa. Vati you will get, not Bhavati. So Angakarya is done first and then Sandhi Karya. So when two Karyas, when Sandhi Karya and Angakarya both are possible, which one will overrule?
Angakarya
Angakarya.
below. Angakarya.
Angakarya is stronger than Sandhi Karya. After doing all the Angakarya, then only Sandhi. So here it is not Sandhi, it is Angakarya.
Okay.
Gunaha is Angakarya Gunaha. Tatu Sandhi Karya Gunaha. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.